Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete the search history on Instagram. The first thing we will do is open the Instagram app and enter our profile. After that, click on the top menu and then on the Your Activity option. Next, we search and click on the Recent Searches option. Here we will see the list of searches carried out and profiles where we have been. We can eliminate them one by one using the cross icon. We can also delete everything at once by clicking on Clear All. Confirm the action with Clear All. We will see how the Instagram search history is deleted. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.